Hi everyone, Jim Starr here and welcome to Lecture 14. We live in an extraordinary time of unprecedented technological advancement. Data, the lifeblood of this digital age, flows around us like an invisible ocean. Every click, every swipe, every interaction with our devices generates more of it. This data, properly analyzed, holds the key to unlocking solutions for some of humanity's most pressing challenges. At the heart of this revolution is artificial intelligence, or AI. AI systems, with their ability to process and learn from this ocean of data, are rapidly changing the world around us. But with this incredible power comes a profound responsibility to ensure that these systems are developed and deployed ethically. As we venture further into this uncharted territory, we must ask ourselves fundamental questions about bias, fairness, transparency, and accountability. The ethical implications of AI are real and immediate. Already we see examples of AI systems perpetuating existing biases, amplifying societal inequalities, and posing threats to our privacy and security. We stand at a crossroads. The decisions we make today will determine the course of AI development for generations to come. Will we choose to build AI systems that reflect our highest values? The choice is ours to make. Join me as we embark on a journey into the fascinating and vitally important world of ethical AI. What exactly do we mean by ethical AI? It's about ensuring that artificial intelligence aligns with our values as human beings. Imagine AI as a powerful new tool, like a telescope or a microscope. These tools themselves are neither inherently good nor bad. It's how we choose to use them that determines their impact on the world. Ethical AI is about putting safeguards in place to ensure that this powerful technology is used responsibly, ethically, and for the benefit of all humankind. It has the potential to be an incredible force for good, but also to be misused, amplifying existing inequalities and causing harm. Let's dive deeper into what constitutes ethical AI. Most frameworks for ethical AI revolve around a few key pillars. First, fairness. AI systems should treat all individuals fairly and equitably without bias or discrimination. Next, transparency. It's crucial that we understand how AI systems work and make decisions. This means being able to trace the decision-making process of an AI system back to its source and explain these processes in a way that is understandable. These guiding principles should underpin the development and deployment of any AI system. Fairness is a cornerstone of ethical AI, yet achieving true fairness is a monumental challenge. AI systems learn from data, and data can be riddled with biases, reflecting societal prejudices and inequalities. Imagine an AI system used for loan applications, trained on biased historical data. This system might perpetuate those biases, denying loans to deserving individuals based on factors like their zip code or ethnicity. Bias can creep in from various sources, such as underrepresented data or historical injustices. Even seemingly innocuous data points can reveal and amplify existing biases. This requires constant vigilance, ongoing testing, and a commitment to developing AI systems that are ethically sound. The issue lies in our ability to recognize, mitigate, and eliminate these biases from both the data and the algorithms. Transparency. The ability to understand how AI systems arrive at their decisions is crucial. Yet, many AI systems, particularly those based on complex deep learning models, operate as black boxes. This lack of transparency raises significant ethical concerns. How can we trust a system's decisions if we don't understand how those decisions are made? This black box problem presents a difficult challenge, balancing complexity and transparency. Ongoing research and development are crucial as we strive to develop AI systems that are both powerful and transparent. The field of ethical AI is dynamic and rapidly evolving. As AI systems become more sophisticated, their potential impact on society grows, as do the ethical considerations. For instance, the rise of autonomous vehicles poses new ethical dilemmas. How should these vehicles be programmed to make decisions in unavoidable accidents? Who is responsible in a collision? Addressing these evolving challenges requires a proactive and adaptive approach to ethical AI. We must constantly reevaluate our ethical frameworks, develop new guidelines, and foster open conversations about AI's impact on society. The realm of ethical AI is woven into the fabric of our digital lives. To grasp its implications, let's examine real-world case studies. In healthcare, AI promises revolutionary advancements, like diagnostic tools that detect diseases early. But if trained on skewed data, these tools could misdiagnose underrepresented groups, leading to improper treatment. In the criminal justice system, AI aims to provide objective assessments, but if trained on biased data, it risks perpetuating injustices. These case studies highlight both the extraordinary potential and inherent risks of AI. Ethical AI is about harnessing technology for the greater good while mitigating its risks. If you agree, take a moment now to share your goodwill by liking, sharing, and commenting on this video, and by subscribing to this channel. AI is a mirror reflecting our societal values, both noble and flawed. It inherits bias from the data we feed it and the decisions we've made. Building ethical AI is not just a technical challenge, it's a societal imperative. It demands confronting our biases, rectifying historical injustices, and ensuring equitable data. AI, when developed ethically, can identify and mitigate bias, promoting fairness. It can help us recognize patterns of discrimination and develop interventions that promote diversity and inclusion. As we venture further into AI, ethical dilemmas will become more complex. Consider autonomous weapon systems capable of making life or death decisions without human intervention. Or the rise of deepfakes, AI-generated videos that can manipulate public opinion. These emerging challenges demand a collective and proactive response. We need ethicists, engineers, policymakers, and the public engaged in open conversations about AI's future. As citizens of this digital age, we must demand transparency, advocate for ethical AI regulations, and educate ourselves about AI's potential benefits and risks. How do we build AI systems worthy of our trust? The answer lies in transparency. Transparency in AI isn't just about revealing the code, it's about open communication. Imagine a doctor using an AI diagnostic tool. The tool flags an issue, but the doctor and patient deserve to know why. This level of transparency requires a shift in mindset. AI developers must create systems that can explain themselves. This means investing in explainable AI, XAI, making AI's reasoning accessible to human users. Transparency fosters trust and empowers individuals to understand and challenge decisions made about them. Transparency is crucial, but equally important is human-centered design. This means putting human needs, values, and ethics at the forefront of AI development. Human-centered design ensures AI aligns with our values and enhances our human experience. Consider AI-powered educational tools that prioritize emotional well-being and social development. This approach requires empathy and collaboration between developers, ethicists, social scientists, and end users. By involving diverse voices, we can ensure AI reflects the values of the society it serves. A shared responsibility. Shaping the future of AI? Building ethical AI is a shared responsibility. It requires a global effort from governments, industry leaders, researchers, and individuals. We all have a role in shaping this transformative technology. Governments must enact regulations for ethical AI development. This includes guidelines for data privacy and algorithmic accountability. Industry leaders must embed ethics into every stage of the product lifecycle. This includes ethical AI training and bias audits. Researchers advance ethical AI, developing techniques for bias detection and explainable systems. And you, the individual, play a crucial role. Educate yourself, engage in discussions, and demand transparency. The future of AI is shaped by our choices today. By embracing ethical principles, we can create a just and prosperous future for all. The ethical algorithm. Now that we've explored the complexities of ethical AI, it's time to put our knowledge into practice. Imagine you're designing an AI-powered system for a social media platform. This system's job is to recommend content to users based on their past activity. Your goal is to create an engaging platform that promotes healthy interactions and minimizes misinformation. Outline the steps and ethical considerations in designing this algorithm. Think about the data you'd use, potential biases, and mechanisms to promote fairness. Remember, the decisions we make today can have far-reaching consequences. Section 1. The future we choose. As we conclude our exploration of ethical AI, one resounding truth echoes: the future of this technology is not preordained. It's a future we are actively shaping through the choices we make, the principles we prioritize, and the actions we take. Will we allow AI to amplify existing inequalities, to erode trust, to become a force for division? Or will we, guided by ethical principles, harness its power to create a more just, equitable, and prosperous future for all? The path forward is clear, though not without its challenges. We must move beyond simply acknowledging the ethical dilemmas posed by AI and embrace a proactive, solutions-oriented approach. This requires a collective effort, a global conversation involving not just technologists and policymakers, but ethicists, social scientists, and most importantly, everyday citizens like you. Imagine a world where AI healthcare systems, free from bias, provide equitable access to life-saving treatments. Imagine AI education tools that personalize learning, empowering individuals to reach their full potential. Imagine AI systems that help us combat climate change, alleviate poverty, and build a more sustainable future. This is the promise of ethical AI, a future where technology serves humanity, where innovation is guided by compassion, and where trust is not a luxury, but the very foundation upon which we build a better tomorrow. The choice is ours to make. Let us choose wisely. As a creator, building trust on your page or channel is crucial. Here are some tips to help you achieve that. First, always disclose any affiliate links or AI tools you use in your content. This builds credibility and trust with your audience. Next, always respond to comments and messages. Show that you value their input and feedback. Ensure your content is informative, entertaining, or useful. Consistently delivering value will keep your audience coming back. Regularly update your content and maintain a consistent posting schedule. Now, let's address some frequently asked questions. Simply mention in your video or description that the links are affiliate links and you may earn a commission if someone makes a purchase through them. Transparency about the tools you use helps build trust and shows that you are honest with your audience. Consistency is key. Find a schedule that works for you and stick to it, whether it's daily, weekly, or bi-weekly. By following these tips, you not only build trust, but also create a loyal and engaged community. Remember, the future of your channel is in your hands. Choose to build it on a foundation of trust and transparency. Are you branded? Check out this next video that's coming up and be sure to subscribe now for our next exciting lecture, How to Build and Grow Your Own Brand.